Fun cup stacking game Dolphin Class. Our Dolphin Class had an exciting and energetic mini-game today, Cup Stacking Challenge. Can you stack the cups without knocking them down? Yes, we can. The little baby shark tanks were eager to take on the challenge. With tiny hands and big smiles, they carefully stacked colorful cups one by one while cheering for their friends. Navy focused carefully on balancing each cup. Step by step, Navy built a tall tower and proudly showed it to everyone. Rocky worked quickly and confidently. He loved the challenge and couldn't stop smiling when his tower stayed standing. Penguin used great hand-eye coordination while stacking and arranging the cups into different shapes. What a creative builder! Navy enjoyed helping friends and celebrating every successful tower with joyful claps and laughter. Why do children love cup stacking games? Improves fine motor skills, develops hand-eye coordination, encourages concentration, builds confidence, promotes teamwork and problem-solving. Through fun project mini-games like this, our baby shark tanks learn important skills while having an amazing time with friends. Parents, does your little one enjoy building and stacking games at home? Comment below and let Baby Shark know. Only at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool. Let the baby come. 'Cause the kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool belongs to them. Hashtag Baby Shark Russell, hashtag Dolphin Class, hashtag Cup Stacking Game, hashtag Minigame, hashtag Fun Learning, hashtag Fine Motor Skills, hashtag Project-Based Learning, hashtag English Time, hashtag Preschool Life, hashtag Baby Shark.